Hello, my name is Sarah, and I'm going to talk through the new logarithmic scale option on curves added in Oasys Primer version 20. For some applications, such as frequency analysis, plots can be more descriptive when visualized in logarithmic scale, which is why a new option was added to the Define Curve and Define Table modify panels that allows plotting curves using a logarithmic scale. To set the scale of the x and/or y-axis to logarithmic, you simply need to select the corresponding log tick box next to the x-max and y-max fields. When the log option is selected for a given axis, the minimum and maximum values are calculated as the closest powers of 10. However, these limits can be changed to any value in their corresponding fields. All other options in both the Define Curve and Define Table panels can be used when in logarithmic mode. For example, you can plot the discretized DYNA curve or interactively drag a point in the graph. Thank you.